Alright, so wanted to do an update. There's going to be another video following this dedicated to the same kind of stuff. But yeah, I wanted to talk about the exhaust fan that I put into this greenhouse. So if you don't notice, it is still running strong. So I installed this in 2014 and it's still running strong. It runs off basically the solar, so when this reaches a certain temperature it just kicks on, and that's it. Basically controls that battery discharged by a solar panel, runs this fan. This fan runs continuously all the time during the summer, especially now because it's like probably like 110 in here, probably somewhere around up in that. This is South Carolina, so it gets really hot. So that just goes to show you the longevity of that fan. I'll put the fan information below. You guys take it easy. Peace out.